Today I will show you the correct model resin setting for PrestoCraft 3D model resin for printing the dental models. So let me first import the model. First of all, orient it according to you, then go to the support settings, go to the auto support. Then here are three options: light, middle and heavy. Always choose the middle one. There are very high chances of printing failure on the light support, and if you place the heavy support, then it's very tough to remove the supports from the model. So under this middle, you will find a contact point spacing. You need to make sure that it is 3 mm. So what does this option do is it increases the support density. So the failure chances are almost zero. So place the supports, go to the export, check the slice settings, make sure these are default settings, 2.3, or for some printers it is 2.5, for small printers it is 2.8. Whatever the settings are, make it defaults. Save it and slice it. That's it. Now you can enjoy your printing. Thank you.